Okay, we at the rear. I got the spring clamp at the top here. Oh no, not at the bottom. We'll try to do it without taking anything off. Hold on. So it should just clamp together and come right out is what I'm hoping for. Got time for nothing else, man. So let's go ahead and screw it down. Screw. That's what we gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna try to screw it down really quick, come back. It's all screwed down. So now I'm gonna just tighten it. Hopefully they compress enough so that I can just slide the spring out and slide the new one back in. I got the other spring on. Spring compressor on. So let's go ahead and tighten this side down and hopefully we can get it out. Alright, I'm still compressing it. I'm gonna try to slide this bottom half out shortly. I feel like it's come loose. But keep at it. Let's try it now. See what happens. Move my leg out the way. Not coming out. That's why it's not coming out. When I'm tightening up, it's hitting that. So I gotta loosen this top one. Okay, I got this position in a proper location now, or a better one, so that it ain't gonna hit nothing when it's screwing down. So let's go ahead and try it again. Come back to y'all. All right, Alexa, pause. All right, got this down pretty tight. So let's see if it'll wiggle out. Let's see. No room. Freaking no room. There's no room. Use a little force, but nonetheless, it's out. Can't get the spring out. Maybe fuck it. There's just no room. There's not a lot of room, y'all. So I got to push down up top. Got it. I was using this bar in the right hand to push down. All right, that was a tough one. Anyway, we got it out. Got it. Alright, just unscrew this. Okay, this is the rear. The old one, the new one. Stand them up. Maybe a difference once I get it in, but as of right now, I don't look too much difference. But of course, we can't tell right now until it's on the car. This is the front, and there she is. All right, so grab one of these. This is the bottom. This goes in this hole right here. So we'll put the bottom one first and then try to work our way with the top one later. So let's see if I can just slide this in there. Just make sure you got this seated at the bottom. Right here. Make sure this hit this stopping thing right there. Okay. Let's see if I can do it without anything else needed. I'm gonna need to put the clamps on here, I think. Yeah, you can't get that. Yeah, I'm gonna need the clamps on here. Dang. This ain't even fitting. All right, putting the clamps on. Get back to y'all when it's done. All right, so we got to put these clamps on because it's still tight up in there. So what I'm doing is tightening the heck out of it. I probably can go a little bit more, but let's see how we do here. I'm gonna try to put the bottom on first. And work my way with the top. Just make sure the spring at the bottom is seated correctly. Hope y'all can see. If not, oh well. I'm just trying to get this over with at this point. It's like, damn. It's taking too long. Okay. See, if I had two people, it'd be a lot easier. So they can hold this bar down. You know what? I should tell my son to come on, push it down. Put all his weight on it. A big boy. While I slide this underneath it. That's what I'm gonna do. Call him down. Take here is cool though, so. Come on. Let me get my son down. Got Marquise here. Push down, see how strong he is. All right, I'll let you know when. Because when you push down, I get to finish my job. If I can get it. Let's try this first. All right, push down. All your might if you can. All right, you can rest. All right, I'm gonna try another way. That ain't working. All right, I'm gonna just try to slide this underneath it. All right, do it. That's as far as you can go.
Yeah.
Okay. You can relax. Okay. So we got the bottom end. Just need to slide this up top. Grab Marquis, do it one more time, see if that'll help me. All right, do it with all your might if you can. That's as far as you can go.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not far enough. Come on. She just got to go underneath here. All right, let it go. Push down again. Okay, let it go. Let it go all the way. Let's see. Now I got to see if it's seated. I think that's it. Couldn't have did it without you, boy. I was out here forever. I should have been called you. Damn. Thanks, man. I'll call you when I'm on the other side. Somebody needs your help on that, too. Appreciate it. All right. Now let's go ahead and start loosening it up, fellas. So as y'all see, that's all you need to do is get 2 people and just take that off and you're all done with this side. So that wraps up what I'm doing. Any questions, just holler at me. But I'm just gonna unloosen those bolts. As soon as I loosen them, it's gonna push down a little bit more and everything be good to go. So like and subscribe. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when I lower it. So I'll be back once all 4 is done. false alarm.